Hey Sue, this is a video for you. This is Clive in the jungle. He's sitting here watching the crows because they're all up in the trees and they want to come and eat. He never chases the birds, he just sits there watching. They don't seem to mind him actually. You lazy fatty kitty. Oh, he always has to come and smooch me. And Ginny, this is for you. This is my little crow family. There's 3 babies and it's a bit hard to see them all. They're in the trees and on the fence, and I've put an egg on the grass. It's just a raw egg because the little baby crows, they love playing with stuff. Isn't he beautiful? And the little babies, they're relentless, pestering the mum and dad, crying for food. So he's just picked a little hole in it and he's eating the egg out of it. Sometimes I might put a boiled egg instead of a raw egg, and then they'll actually sit there and peel it. But that's a treat for them. Usually they just get whatever scraps, or sometimes I buy them doggy bones from the butcher. And the little babies are really cheeky. I always put shells and stones and that in my garden. Well, the garden that I do have, but they always steal them. But sometimes they'll also replace them with little metal bits, like little gifts. And at first I thought it was the kids in the house behind throwing things over the fence, but I've seen them actually fly in with little metal bits and leave them there. This year's little babies aren't as friendly as last year's. I think because I've left them alone a lot more this year. Last year I could get really, really up close to them. There they are, the whole family, mum, dad and 3 babies on the fence. I really love them, they're so beautiful. Sometimes I give them a little mystery box. I get like a little teeny tiny box, you know, like a jelly box or something, and I put, you know, kitty cat biscuits or something in them, and I close the box up, and then they sit there and open it to get the treat out. They're quite playful. Sorry if I'm shaking you around and if you can't hear because it's really windy. No paper drying for me today. There goes Clivey. See, they actually go quite close to Clive. They don't seem to mind him. Sometimes he just sits up there near the bird feeder on the grass, and yeah, they just hop around him. I think they know he's too lazy to chase. Okay, that's it. I just thought I'd show Sue my fat cat Clivey because she loves kitties, and Ginny, my little crows. This mum and dad pair, they've been in our yard for years and years. And usually they just have 2 little babies, but this year they had 3. So poor mum and dad constantly trying to feed them. That little guy over there behind the clothesline, he's digging up bits. I always bury stuff there for compost, and they go picking through it. There's nothing interesting in there, vegetable scraps and stuff. There's a little Indian miner. And there's another one. And usually the rainbow lorikeets are here, but they were here earlier, but okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Mum and Dad I can recognise because they're the same 2 that have been coming every year, and they actually do have different little faces, but the little babies I can't tell them apart yet. There's the noisy rainbow lorikeets. Don't know if you can see too far. Oh! He just flew so close to my head. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.